Do you want more people to see your Instagram content and wondering if hashtags actually help? The team at Social Insider studied over 74 million posts to find out, and we're going to go over that right now. So, do hashtags actually increase views on Instagram? Well, back in March, the head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, addressed this question in an Ask Me Anything session on his Instagram story. After initially responding, not really, he expanded on that answer. Over the course of the 15-second story, Mosseri explained that hashtags do help Instagram figure out what your content is about. That could increase the likelihood of your content appearing on a hashtag page, but he clarified that hashtags alone are not a tool for increasing distribution. Then about a week later, Mosseri posted a follow-up Ask Me Anything story about the importance of hashtags. He clarified, quote, "I'm saying they're not going to meaningfully change the amount of reach you get when you post, so if you expect a night and day difference, you're going to be disappointed," end quote. So ultimately, both stories confirm that hashtags can add context to your Instagram content. They can also help your content appear in relevant searches, which can drive discovery on their platform. But if you're looking for a tool to increase reach on Instagram, hashtags won't affect exposure in a meaningful way. Now, for social media marketers, this revelation has been nothing short of, well, just shockingly surprising. After all, it doesn't align with the general conviction that hashtags affect Instagram reach. Now, as an example, official Instagram accounts have published tips and guides for using hashtags on their platform. Researching trending hashtags, choosing the right combination of terms, and experimenting with different numbers of keywords are part of most marketers' standard workflows for Instagram content. Many marketers use third-party tools to track hashtag interactions, which fuel the belief that these keywords boost reach. But given Mosseri's statement, marketers should question how they plan to continue using hashtags on Instagram. To start, it's a good idea to begin thinking about other tactics for increasing reach on their platform. In response to Mosseri's initial statement, Social Insider launched an analysis of more than 75 million Instagram posts published over the past year. The study aimed to offer insight into whether hashtags increase views and how much value they provide to businesses on Instagram. Now, ultimately, Social Insider found that hashtags don't affect distribution, which confirms Mosseri's statement. In addition, the study found that the number of hashtags in a post doesn't have a measurable impact on views. No matter how many hashtags a post has, the average engagement rate by impressions falls within the same range. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean you should stop using hashtags altogether. As reported by Social Media Examiner, Social Insider explains Instagram has recently made a push to enhance its search functionality. Since hashtags are still critical for appearing in relevant searches, they should still be a key component of your Instagram content. You just shouldn't rely on them for increasing views.